I've stopped reading the newspapers in the morning. I've stopped watching the news on the TV. The reason for this is that there's nothing else on the news today, on the front pages and on the TV, which doesn't talk about corruption, which doesn't talk about opaqueness in governance. I believe that these are issues which are plaguing our country at this point of time, and there's no denying that. But what I also believe is that there are a number of good things which are happening around us, which unfortunately do not get heralded. Nobody talks about them, nobody makes mention of them. For that reason, we in M Junction Services have decided to launch a movement which is called the Movement for Efficiency and Transparency. Because we believe that there's a lot of good things which are happening around us, and what we need to do is to actually provide a platform to such people, to such thought leaders, to such visionaries, for them to come forward and talk about the good stuff that they have been able to do, which will encourage them to do more, and which will also encourage others who want to do good things to actually join them. This is what MET is. The question next is, why should M Junction do this and why not somebody else? What does M Junction bring to the table which is something which is sustainable to launch such a movement and to carry it forward? M Junction, as some of you may know, has really transformed the secondary steel and the coal business in terms of the way that they are sold. We've had considerable value to the small buyers of coal and the small buyers of steel, who are now able to buy directly from the miners and from the steel producers. This has benefited not only the small buyers of coal and steel, who are now able to buy this very conveniently from their laptops and desktops and other internet access devices, but have been able to buy this efficiently and conveniently. This has benefited them, has also benefited Coal India and the other steel companies. It has helped, I would imagine, us securitize our energy needs, because the monies so collected by Coal India, they will be able to put back into projects, into initiatives, which will enable us to actually grow. So, we have decided that in this movement, we will invite people to participate who will talk about the good things that they have been able to do, and we will take this across the country. We are launching in Calcutta, but then we will go to the smaller towns, we'll go to the larger towns, we will bring to the notice of people what good things are happening across the world. Such practices, not only in India but across the world, will spur us to do even more. Thank you.